think I can do this in 10 bites.
10 bites? That's aggressive. I think we'll go to 9.
Okay.
You go first. That's so smart. That's 1.
Bite number 2.
Good girl. You're easily gonna get that in 10.
I know. Stretch open, babe. You just relax the jaw. Alright, bite number 3.
Yeah, 2 hands. 2 hands, yeah.
Ew. Bite number 4.
That wasn't a good one.
It's getting wider.
That's what she said.
Eye contact. Yeah, you like eye contact. Look how different sized ours is.
Messy girl.
This is a whole animal.
I'm gonna some chips.
How do you know how to go that?
Okay, okay. Bite number 6.
Eat mine. If you did it in 1 bite.
What? Well, I guess I do it in 1 bite. If I do it in one bite, we're playing Simon Says tonight, and I'm Simon.
Okay, Mr. Cowell. Go ahead. Show me what you want me to do later. Hey, spit it out. It's really disgusting. He doesn't get anything tonight.
No!